Friends, this particular video is to help you walk through the types of halides that the second element of nitrogen family, that is phosphorus, forms. Now before we talk about the types of halides, shall we quickly recall what halides are? So compounds of halogen atoms with other elements are known as halides, and we know what are halogen atoms: chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, and so on, all the halogen family atoms, right? Phosphorus basically forms two types of halides. Those are trihalides and pentahalides, right? Let us move a bit further. Trihalides as in phosphorus trichloride, right? So we have one phosphorus atom. It bonds with three chlorine atoms, which are nothing but halogen atoms, and this is the structure we get with a bond length of 204 pm and a bond angle of 100 degrees, right? How is phosphorus trichloride prepared? When dry chlorine is passed over white phosphorus in the presence of sand bath, right? And here to maintain the temperature of this flask, cold water is sprinkled. PCl3 is what get deposited over here. So this is how we prepare phosphorus trichloride. Now you might be wondering, what is the need of sand bath? You understood white phosphorus, you understood chlorine, right? Because in order to make a compound of phosphorus and chlorine, these are the two items we definitely need. What is the use of sand bath over here, right? Let us see. So not only for this reaction, basically the sand bath is used for providing even heating to the chemical in question. So we have heat over here. When we provide the sand over here, this heat gets convected by sand and it evenly heats up the vessel, and hence white phosphorus gets consistent heat to perform the reaction. Another method of preparation of phosphorus trichloride is when we pass phosphorus over thionyl chloride, right? This is the balanced reaction. So we get a mixture of phosphorus chloride, sulfur dioxide, and sulfurous chloride. So this is one more method of preparation. Now, what is the shape of PCl3? It is pyramidal in shape, right? This is how a pyramid looks like, and hence PCl3 is pyramidal in shape. Phosphorus chloride is a colorless liquid, as we can see over here. How about the chemical properties of phosphorus chloride? It reacts with water or hydrolyzes in presence of moisturizer. So basically, when something reacts with moisture and converts to another form, we say it has hydrolyzed. It has performed a reaction with water. So phosphorus chloride in presence of water gets hydrolyzed to get phosphoric acid, right? It also reacts with acids to form the chlorates of those acids. And this chemical property of phosphorus is used in chlorination of compounds